Okay guys, I did it again. This is 1 week later. Got another one done. This one here is 13 inches high, 8 inches wide, and 7.5 feet long. I want to sell this one with the 2 trailers. I'm starting a bid at $500. Anyone interested, get back to me at 905-449-4292. She is a beauty, this one. Well, they all are. I'm just too modest. Got a B-train double flatbed, what do you call it, these ones? It's so long it's going past the counter over there. I can't even show you the back of the trailers. I'll try to show you a bit of underneath here. I'll show you a little bit of the lights and all that on the truck. Here. So anybody who wants to buy this, like I said, you can either go on Facebook and leave me a comment on my Facebook page at Steve Styrofoam Trucks. This one I want to sell at $500. That's where the bid starts. Anybody who wants it, don't be shy. Get back to me. Because I know when I usually put a truck for sale, they don't last. This truck will be gone probably tomorrow or Sunday. And I will deliver it anywhere near Bowmanville. I'll go as far as Mississauga. I'd like to try to get the back of this trailer. I don't know if it's possible, but here. No, it's too dark. So long, you can get the back, but it's the same as this one here. Yeah, same thing in the back of that trailer. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, guys.